Hi everyone, this is Natalie Slosher here. I'm going to be showing you how to work the bobble stitches that I use in my Garnet pattern. This is a variation of stranded colorwork, as you can see, and really you're just going to be making a bobble instead of a regular knit stitch. So what I have here are my two colors. I have a 4mm crochet hook. I chose 4mm because I'm using 4mm needles. That's just the needle size that I use for my gauge. So I recommend choosing an appropriate hook size for your bobbles. And so I'm going to be using my contrast color, which is this red. And I'm going to be holding it in my left hand, continental style. And then I'm going to be using the main color, this beige color, holding it in my right hand, sort of English style. I'm primarily a continental knitter, so I am a little bit awkward holding yarn in my right hand, but we will just go with it. Alright, so I have one regular stitch here with the contrast color. I'm going to knit 2 stitches, main color. Alright, so now it's time to make a bobble. So I grab my hook. So I'm going to insert my hook, and I will yarn over, grab the yarn with the hook. Maintaining a loose tension is very important. You'll find it easier to pull the yarn through at the end. Alright, so I've pulled up one stitch here on my hook, and so I've inserted my hook again, I've yarned over, and I'm going to go around this stitch knitwise, through, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to repeat that process 2 more times, yarn over, through the stitch, pull up another loop, yarn over, through the stitch, pull up another loop. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on my hook. I'm going to take it off of the needle. With my thumb and index finger, I'm going to sort of pull down, kind of give tension on these loops here. I'm going to yarn over, give a little bit of tension here with my left hand, and I'm going to pull through. It looks like I maybe pulled up. Sometimes this happens, and this usually happens when your tension is not loose enough. And that's okay. If you can't get it, you can always start over again, but I managed to get it through. And so now I'm going to slip the stitch that is left onto my right needle, and I will continue with my pattern. So I'm just going to pull that in a little tight. Okay. So 2 stitches, main color, 1 stitch, contrast color, 2 stitches, main color, one more time with the bobble. So the last time didn't go as smoothly. Let's see if I can keep a little bit more tension, or a little less tension. I want these loops to not be too tight. 3 loops. 5 loops. 7 loops. Pull down. There we go. It usually helps to be more relaxed and not be awkwardly filming in front of the camera. And I just wanted to show you guys how to do this, because it can be a little tricky. But luckily it's only for a couple of rows throughout the whole pattern, and it does give a really nice impact, I think. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy this.